What if I told you there's a secret to recharging in Jamaica that doesn't involve a fancy resort, but still gives you those ultimate chill vibes? Stick around, because we're about to uncover a spot perfect for just that. It's day 12 of this 30-day Jamaican adventure, and sometimes even an island explorer needs a little break from all the excitement. I had big plans for more driving, but honestly, I was just too tired. So, I decided to do something a little different, something that might surprise you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jamaica is the capital of jerk chicken, right? Why would I even consider anything else? But here's the thing. Jamaica is famous for having the best KFC in the world. So I grabbed some of that finger-licking good chicken and headed straight for a picnic. And where did I go? Burwood Beach. This isn't some private exclusive spot. It's a beautiful public beach with that stunning white sand and water so turquoise it practically glows. The best part, it wasn't crowded at all. I found some sweet shade, laid out a small blanket, and just enjoyed my chicken and a good book until I got sleepy. Burwood Beach is just gorgeous, with gazebos and a bar playing some sweet tunes. Someone was even offering horseback riding, but for me, it was the perfect place to just relax and recharge. This spot was exactly what I needed to get ready for my journey tomorrow to St. James. If you're looking for a chill day, a little peace, you gotta check out Burwood Beach. Tell me in the comments, what's your go-to spot in Jamaica when you just need to unwind? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more authentic Jamaican adventures.